Winter pressure pattern and cold air mass brought snow in wide areas of Japan on Wednesday morning, including its capital. The Japan Met Agency, also known as JMA, is advising local residents to stay on alert for possible disruptions to public transportation. The JMA has also said that snow is expected to reach up to 3 centimeters in Tokyo until Thursday morning. A gust of wind sweeps over bare soil, kicking up enough dirt and dust to cut visibility to nearly zero. And for drivers, the dust storm seems to come out of nowhere. Such conditions resulted in a pileup on Interstate 70 last week in western Kansas, involving dozens of cars and trucks that left 8 people dead. Blinding dust also prompted New Mexico's Transportation Department to close Interstate 25 from the Colorado border southwest to Las Vegas, New Mexico. Severe flooding has hit Russia's Ural Mountains region as rivers burst their banks following the spring ice melt. Thousands of homes are underwater, forcing mass evacuations. Authorities have declared emergencies in several areas, warning of rising water levels. The situation is most critical in the Orenburg region, where the Ural River has overflowed, submerging entire villages. Rescue operations are underway with emergency teams using boats to evacuate stranded residents. More heavy rains are forecast, raising fears of worsening floods.